Morning, people. Happy Sunday. Fucking crudo, tired. And everyone knocking on my door. I can fix. Because AC's not turning on. I live over there. The Mercedes is my truck. But I ain't trying to walk back and forth to get tools and my ladder and stuff. So, with the van, well, nothing's turning on. Not even the fan, nothing. I already checked. We got no 24 at the thermostat, so I'm gonna jump in the attic. Check the board for 24. Most likely bad transformer or that 3 amp or 5 amp fuse is blown. Stay tuned. All right, people. Finished right here at my neighbor's house. I didn't even want to charge him, but he threw this in the van when I was putting my ladder away. Thank your neighbor. Take care of your neighbors, they take care of you. Well, some neighbors are culeros. But anyways, happy Sunday, people. Kind of back up like 5 houses and park in the driveway. Adios.